So here we are having a go at making hummus for the first time at home in the kitchen rather than going to the supermarket and buying it. So I picked a recipe on the internet and we got started last night because I'm using the dried chickpeas. I soaked the dried chickpeas in water overnight, 160 grams of them, and left them until this morning. This morning I drained them, cleaned them, and then cooked them for 1.5 hours, and that is how it comes out. Once you've cooked them for 1.5 hours and they're nice and soft, wash them 2 or 3 times in clean water to make sure you get all the starches out. And so here we are just chopping up. The recipe calls for 4 cloves of garlic, but our garlic is so big that we've just gone for 2 to start off with. You also need the juice of half a lemon and some cumin to taste and a little bit of salt to taste. Action! So we put the chickpeas in the food processor and the 4 cloves of minced garlic go in. And the recipe calls for 6 tablespoons of tahini. I think it's basically going to be the whole of this jar. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of tahini. Here we go. And then the juice of half a lemon, taking care not to get the pips in. I've got pips in my hand, that's good. That's a nice fresh lemon, so it's coming out nice and easy. There we go. Right, okay. And a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin. There we go. And then we blitz it all up. So let's see how it goes. So having given that a little pulse now, we put in 2 cups of the cooking liquid. This cooking liquid was saved from when we cooked the chickpeas in the first place. So you get the extra flavour boost coming through. So we'll drop a bit of that in. But just be careful to make sure we get a nice smooth paste.